It's adding value. It's adding value to the people, to the assets, to the organization. If you compare it with safety, safety normally saves lives. If you compare it to the quality, quality saves assets. But when you compare it to, when we say reliability, reliability saves it all. I am Walid Alghamdi. I am working for Saudi Aramco since 2004, and in particular working currently for Berri Gas Plant. I am heading the maintenance division. I'm in charge of the whole maintenance and reliability business, leading more than 200 people in my organization. Actually, I was leading the effort. I was the one behind cultivating the whole things and developing and initiating this I would call reliability program that we won the award for today. We realized that we have been investing so many in the reliability business and the maintenance programs, yet we don't know where it's taking us and how good it's taking us. Are we targeting and moving toward the right direction, or we need to steer our way to somewhere else? And applying for this award, it was like an end of tunnel light, or a moving target, or targeting objective that we need to gauge ourselves, gauge what we are doing against, so that we can know how good or how bad we are doing when it comes to reliability business, or how far from excellence. It's actually part of, like, if we put it in the continuous improvement or operational excellence model, we are done with the plan do. It's now time to check and adjust. So winning the award is part of the assurance for the check, and will give us the chance to adjust as well. I really feel proud about achieving such prestigious and recognized award in the industry. Yep, they start valuing it more. They start realizing it's adding value. It's not only delivering or meeting expectations. It's much more beyond that. It's being recognized, appreciated, and rewarded.